Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Hyundai Kona, which was also recently launched in India. And if you want to buy this model, you can buy this from aliexpress.com. It is available at $130. So if you want to buy it, I'll provide the link in the description of this video. And if you want to see more of miniature dioramas, you can subscribe to our other channel, Miniature Homes. I will provide the link of that as well in the description of this video. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobile. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.